Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say now you do silence like a cancer rose. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take the yoke that I might reach you. Among my words, like silent raindrops fell, and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowing to the neon god they made. Inside flashed out his warning, and the words that it was falling. In the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
Well,
Stop right at
there
the
you
end.
go.
Did
Pretty
you
much.
shop yet?
Well, we had